Alrighty. Well, it's pretty much complete. I just got little things to do now, like making a little tank mount. Just got to mount that cable on there. I'll probably just do that with zip ties, or I might just glue it on there. I haven't put that casing on yet. I have to screw that on. I gotta find another screw. I've lost it somewhere, so I've got to try to find it to screw that throttle servo on. I've screwed on the two steering servos and put a little stabilizer in there. I've got to adjust these little things yet. It's not fully adjusted, but I mean, it works alright, I think. I've got to get another wheel still. Let's just imagine that's the wheel. So yeah, it looks pretty good. It's quite a short wheelbase, but it's still okay. The engine is awesome. I still got to adjust that that sprocket and stuff. But one second. Yeah, so this is how the sprocket and chain and stuff sort of looks like. That motor doesn't move at all. Yeah, it's good. It won't move now. Just have to make little modifications for it to fit in. You guys probably won't be able to see that, but I cut the muffler casing a little bit to allow it to fit in. This is just screwed on again with whatchamacallit, self-tapping screws. And that works alright. So yeah, once I get a tyre, I've just got little things to do now, which takes probably probably got another 2 hours of work left on it. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm pretty happy with it. That wheel doesn't want to stay. I just got tons of weld on there just to make sure that it sticks. Don't want it coming off. So anyway guys, that's the RC car, and I'll catch you guys later.